on some drugs.
Frank,
Rita, I want some kind of drug.
you're on what?
Some kind of drug.
What kind of drugs are you on?
I have no idea.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good. Because I smell it. Big one.
Did you say your mouth is swollen? It's not swollen, it's just gauze that's in there. It's a little puffy.
You ready to do it again?
Round two, here we go.
Did you know we were finished?
Yeah, we're all done. You're about to get to go home.
Seriously?
That's why you have gauze in your mouth. Teeth are gone.